We sit around a table on Sunday night. Powell, Stojan, Cameron, Goga, Vicky, and Thomas. Drinking like there is no tomorrow. Because tomorrow doesn't belong here. Pa, sitting next to me, loving the tunes, head nodding slow, locked into the groove. Stojan does the bass and the drums, feels it in the chest, not the ears, not the lungs. Cameron, a brother of mine, supports some parties, no questions asked, just stare when it's gnarly. Guga talks less, listens more. Prison in the voice, wisdom on the floor. Vicky at the table, young eyes, sharp look. She reads the room better than any book. Tomish from Czech, crazy, awesome, wild energy, breaking the calm, unstoppable. Glasses clink, ashtray fills. Time slows down, but the drinks still kill. Monday blue is for Monday, today is Sunday. We stretch the weekend to the max. Pull it by the throat till it fights back. No plans, no promises, no clean escape. Just sound, just noise, just sweat on the face. Birds of a feather on the weekend only. Same circle, same jokes, never lonely. But never say